Hey all, Nick Moon here from Tone Proper. We are, as usual, deep in the Tone Proper bunker, doing some product videos, and I'm here today with the Hollyland Solidcom M1, a very robust wireless comms unit. This is the 8-channel version. They make a 4-channel as well. Tons of features, and at a pretty attractive price point if you're in the market for wireless comms. And they're expandable with a lot of other great features that we're going to dive into here in a moment. Okay, first you're gonna get 2 really great road cases. Look like they're waterproof, nice high density plastic. Opening up, you're gonna find the main wireless transceiver here. This thing is pretty darn sturdy. You've got stand mounts, 2 NFP battery receptacles there. Pretty sure it's metal. Magnesium or aluminum maybe, really solidly built. Everything's got little rubber covers on it. I love that. Just keeps dust and stuff out of your ports, especially like the PoE and like CAT ports. It's super important to not mess that stuff up. You've got a really nice, in the 8-pack version, 8 charging units with all your batteries. Each pack has its own removable battery, which is super great. All your packs and batteries, and of course your cables and antennas here. The range of this is really great. You have a 300 meter or about a 900 foot radius around this antenna. So if you stuck this centrally and you knew you were going to have people all around an area, you can see how big of a bubble that is. Or for indoor use, we typically just drop this near front of house or lighting desk or whatever, and keep it up high, and we're able to get obviously to stage with ease. This system operates in the 1.9 gigahertz range, so it's out of the range of the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi systems. So on these handsets, one thing I do like about them is they're really lightweight, even with the battery. They got a metal belt clip, really good antennas. See how small these guys are? These aren't going to get snagged in a bunch of clothes. You've got a really nice, good push, big fat button for push to talk. It's got your standard Lemo headphone jack here at the bottom. LCD screen, really easy to read and really bright. A real simple 3-button layout, and then a push to talk on top. Your battery indicator at the top, I love that, as you can just glance down, see what kind of battery life you've got going on. So it's got a 6-hour battery life with a 2.5-hour charge time on the included charger. PoE, which is really cool, so everything can be really self-contained and you don't have a bunch of adapters going everywhere. All in all, it's a really great setup. Let's dive into a little bit more of the functionality and range and stuff like that. So this has a 200 to 7K frequency range, which if you're familiar with, EQ and voices and stuff like that, that's the full spectrum of somebody's voice. So you'll have plenty of good audio out of that. So onto the transceiver. This is looking at the underside of the transceiver. You've got 4 ports basically, power, your 4-wire system, your 2-wire system, and your PoE LAN port, which would be used for connection to another system to give you, in this example, 16 packs in 3 groups. The compatibility product list here is Clearcom, wired or wireless systems, Hanson wired systems, Altair wireless systems, and data video intercom systems. So you'll be able to interface with any of those. So great solution for interfacing with existing systems. So that's just a quick overview of the Hollyland Solidcom M1 system. We really enjoyed having it here. Great packs, really well thought out design, interfaces with everything. Really well thought out system. There's not a lot you can get wrong with it. You basically power it up, place everything where you need to have it placed, turn it on, maybe set up a couple of groups if you need to, or just one, and you're off to the races. It's a really good system for the money, and we really recommend it. Thanks for watching.
Well, thanks for stopping by our channel. We hope that you enjoyed this content. Make sure you hit the like button and comment below your thoughts. Also, to get more great content like this, hit subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when we release our next video.